So it means we will add 2 here. It means we will have 26 here. Okay, very simple. And from where we will get this 2? When we will reduce 2 here, it means 6 host bits. So when we want to divide this network into 4 parts, my network bits will be 26 now instead of 24, and I have reduced 2 here. Why I have reduced this? Because we need to balance it every time. I need total 32 here. 26 plus 6 also 32. I need to maintain this 32. So you can shuffle the numbers from here and there. So it means I'm going to have /26, and 2 the power of 6 is 64. So it means we will have around 64 IPs in every group. Right? Let's take one another example. If I want to divide this network into 8 parts instead of 4 locations, I have 8 locations. So again, by default 24, we have 8 here. How we get 8? When we have 2 the power of 3. So I'm going to add 3 here, 27, and I'm going to reduce 3 here. That comes 5. So 2 the power of 5 is 32. So it means we will have 8 groups, and every group is of 32 IPs. Okay. So now the question is how I am going to write these IP addresses. Okay, so we were making 4 locations. So let's go back again with the 4 question. So again 24, I have 8 by default. So to get 4, my 2 the power of 2. So I am going to add 2 here, 26, and I need to reduce here, that is 6, right? We are going to assign the IP. So IP address would be 200.1.1.0. Okay, so how you calculate your 4 locations? There is a simple maths. So IP address always start with 0. Okay, and it always ends with 255. 26, so 2 the power of 6 is 64. So how I am going to write this 64? So just add zeros in the starting. 0 plus 64, 64. So again plus 64 plus 64, 128. 128 plus 64, 192. So before 192 we get 191. Before 128 we have 127, and before 64 we get 63. So this is how. So the IP address from 0 to 63 will be placed in Delhi. So here we are going to assign in Mumbai. Here this IP we are going to assign in Chennai, and here this network I'm going to assign in Kolkata. Got it? Very simple.